Hey everybody, we have our RoboFriends app now on GitHub, and you should be able to put up your RoboFriends project on GitHub. But here's the thing, would it be nice if we can use GitHub Pages to actually check out our RoboFriends app without having us to clone, download, npm install, just like we've done with simple HTML projects? Well, with the Create React app, there's actually a way to do this using GitHub Pages. Now, I'll link to this resource so that you can follow step by step, but let's just go through it and see how easy it is. I have the project right here. It says that I need to add a homepage to package.json, so let's do that. I'm going to copy this and add it in our package.json. It doesn't matter where it is. Let's add it right after the name. Make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to add my username here. And this is the repository name. In our case, what was it? It was RoboFriends. So again, use your GitHub username. And then in here, add your GitHub project name. Next, if we go through the steps, it says that I need to install GitHub Pages, this package, and then add it to my deploy script. So let's just copy and paste this. So if you're using npm, you can do that. If you're using your yarn, this is the command. So let's install GitHub Pages. And while that's getting installed, let's go back here. And it shows here that we need to add these two lines, a pre-deploy and deploy in our scripts. So once again, go to our scripts and then copy and paste this line. So we have the pre-deploy and the deploy. So the pre-deploy runs npm run build, which we know what that does. It builds our project. It creates a production version of our project and creates a build folder. And then the deploy is going to use this GitHub Pages that we just installed and use our build folder. Let's go back. All right, and then finally, we had to deploy this site by running npm run deploy. So let's do that. Let me save. And then in here, let's clear this, do npm run deploy, which is this script. And remember, the pre-deploy is going to be run before it. So if I run this, looks like I have an error in my JSON package. Let's see. What am I missing here? Well, I have a comma at the end here, which I don't need. Let's run that again. You see that the build folder was just created. It's creating an optimized production build. That's great. And there we have it. Our project is now published. Now, all we have to do is go back to our repository, go to settings, and if we scroll all the way down to GitHub Pages, we have to change the source to GitHub Pages branch. Now, you might have to wait a couple of minutes or even refresh the page to make sure that the changes have been applied. And if all goes well, remember, we're selecting the GitHub Pages branch, and I click on this link, and I refresh. There you go. Our RoboFriends app is now live at this URL. So I can just copy this URL, go to my project, click edit, and then add our website right here. So next time anybody comes and checks out our repository, they can just click here to see the live project. How cool is that? Nice and simple. And just like that, we have a production-ready app. Because remember, Create React app, for us, optimizes everything and keeps everything really, really tiny for production. Our JavaScript files, well, they're minimized, they look very small, and, well, nothing like we had before with containers and components. All of that because we use Create React App gets optimized for production. Congratulations. Go show off to your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.